Well, hello guys. How are things going? I hope you guys are all doing well as we can. We have to keep going and trying no matter what. Well, anyway, today we have an interesting item. This might be of interest to a lot of people, my car guys out there. This is something that I had purchased from eBay about, must be close to a year back now. So anyway, this is a Texaco, pretty big, a Texaco, I think it's Tonka, made by Tonka. Here, let's get some more details here. Here, Texaco, you see. And there's the cab, there's the trailer, an oil tanker. So anyway, when I got it, it was in pretty rough condition. I didn't really fix it up, but I cleaned it up a lot. So here it is. Here's the top. Let's see the front. The front is this. It's like that. I'll show you the bottom. So we'll see the company that we have here. So what does it say? It says, I did it the wrong way. Oh, so this is a Buddy L. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Buddy L quality toy manufactured by Moline Pressed Steel Corporation. Use of Texaco trademark authorized by Texaco Incorporated. Oh, that was authorized by Texaco, the gas company. Oh, there you see, you have the Texaco trademark. So anyway, this is the cab. This is the part that the trailer hooks onto. So here we have the trailer here. Here we go. Still has to be cleaned up a little bit. I've had this for about a year now. Gave it a little bit of a cleaning before I showed it, as a matter of fact. Here, that's the Texaco. Here, let's put it back together now. Here, so a kid would have liked this at the time, in the early 50s, and this would be a prized possession. I'm not sure the price of what it would be at that time. Texaco. Oh, you're with You see that? It says you're with Texaco. Sound your horn. 1 second. 1 second. It says you're with Texaco. Oh, sound your horn. And then what's the other part say? The road is yours. Yours. Oh, sound your horn. The road is yours. And that's Texaco. Here, let's see the other side. Texaco again. So this is Texaco. Sound your horn. The road is yours. And we have something I got off the internet, this is the Structo towing service. And this is also nice color blue. Nice blue. So this is pressed steel also. So this is called Structo. Structo is the name of the company. Hold on. So, we'll make it a little bit bigger to see what it says here. Number 110. Oh, number, maybe it says 910. Phone and 24 hours. 24 hours. Structo towing service. Structo towing service. Let's see the front of it. The front has to be still a little bit cleaned even more. So let's see here. Structo towing service. Let's see it. Maybe over here we can see it. Number 910, phone 4200, 24 hours. 24 hours, phone 4200, number 910. So anyway, that's the bed that you'd put things in. And yeah, so this is a Structo. It's a nice piece of work over there, Structo. So we got these two here. Here's the Texaco, the oil tanker from the 50s. Looks like from the 50s. And this could be also from the 50s, from the 50s too. Maybe the 40s. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again. We hope to see you again sometime down the road. Take care.